Now this is exercise 10, sum number 18-2. Here this angle is 84 degree and this angle is 80 degree. We have to find this angle and this angle. So therefore AQPD is cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore this angle ADP plus angle AQP equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AQP equal to 180 degree minus 84 degree equal to 80 plus 16, 96 degree. Same as similarly this angle DAQ plus angle DPQ equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle DPQ equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. Now this is a straight line, this is also a straight line. So therefore this angle, total angle should be 180 degree. So the remaining this angle equal to 180 degree minus of this, and same as this angle 180 degree minus of this. So therefore angle QPC equal to 180 degree minus angle DPQ equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree equal to 80 degree. So same as angle PQB equal to 180 degree minus angle AQP equal to 180 degree minus 96 degree equal to 84 degree. Now PCBQ is cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore angle QBC equal to 180 degree minus this angle QPC equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. Same as BCP, angle BCP equal to 180 degree minus angle PQB equal to 180 degree minus 84 degree equal to 96 degree. This is sum number 3. Here these two angles are given and find angle DPC and BQC. Now this is a triangle. Write down three angles. Sum of these three angles are 180 degree. These two angles are 60 degree and 80 degree. So the remaining angle should be 180 degree minus 60 degree minus 80 degree. And therefore the angle should be 40 degree. Now APB and DPC both are same. So therefore DPC is 40 degree. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore these two angles are 180 degree. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. So this angle is given as 80 degree. So therefore the remaining angle should be 180 degree minus 80 degree. So angle D equal to 180 degree minus B equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. Now this is a triangle. This angle is given as, or we find out that this angle is 100 degree and this angle is 60 degree. So the remaining angle should be 180 degree minus sum of these two angles. So therefore AQD equal to 180 degree minus sum of these both two angles written. After that put those values. QAD means 60 degree, write down. QDA equal to 100 degree, write down. And after that, simplifying these terms, we find out that angle AQD equal to 20 degree. Now AQD and BQC both are same, so therefore BQC equal to 20 degree. This is sum number 5. We have to find out the angle of angle BED. Now AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. So therefore OB is radius. OD is also radius. Therefore in triangle OBD, OB equal to OD. So therefore opposite angles of these sides, angle ODB equal to angle OBD. Now this is 140 degree, so therefore angle DOB equal to 180 degree minus angle DOA. Why? Because this is a straight line and the angle of this straight line is 180 degree. So therefore 180 degree minus 40 degree, 140 degree equal to 40 degree. Angle DOB equal to 40 degree, and the remaining two angles in this triangle both are equal. This is 40 degree and both angles are equal. Therefore angle ODB equal to angle OBD equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree by 2 equal to 70 degree. Now after that, these two angles, sum of these two angles are 180 degree. Why? Because ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore angle B, ABCD, no, ABDC. So angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle C equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree equal to 110 degree. Now in this triangle, AED, sum of these three angles are 180 degrees. So therefore we can write angle AED plus AED, or in triangle AED, no, in triangle AEC, because this is the greater triangle. AEC, this angle plus CAE plus ACE equal to 180 degree. Two angles are given. CAE is given as 50 degree and ACE is given as 110 degree. So therefore angle AEC equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree minus 110 degree equal to 20 degree. Now angle AEC and BED both are the same angle. So therefore angle BED equal to 20 degree.